Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You open Roblox Studio and begin by creating a local script inside starter player scripts. This keeps control logic client-side for UX. You learn the why. Local scripts handle input, while server code enforces rules. Once done, use built-in services rather than external key macros so your work stays within game rules. Make sure to test and play solo immediately and iterate quickly, because early testing reveals timing issues and helps you design responsible, non-exploitative behavior. You implement input handling using Roblox services that were designed for this purpose, and you add debouncing to prevent accidental spam. Explain why. Debounces stop repeated triggers and rate limits protect game balance. Once done, send intent to the server via remote events and have the server validate every request. That prevents client-side manipulation from affecting game state. Make sure to log unexpected input patterns during tests so you can tune limits without harming legitimate players. You publish to a private place and run multi-client tests with friends to confirm behavior under network conditions. Explain why. Real players reveal latency and edge cases you won't see solo. Once done, monitor server logs and add safeguards for abnormal input rates. If things go wrong, check permissions, ensure remote events are firing correctly, and verify server-side validation isn't rejecting legitimate requests. That single troubleshooting step saves hours of guessing and keeps your system robust and fair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.